What's up, team? I'm Free,
I'm Lolo.
and we're back with another reaction video. This one is a blow dryer prank on wife, hilarious, by Chris and Queen. Link gonna be in the description down below if y'all want to check that one out. But I'm sure this will be good. She's violent, so we're gonna get this thing cracking. Let's go.
What's up, though, CQ Mafia? Queen is in the other bag, though. I'm about to prank Queen. Yo, I've been waiting for this for the longest. I'm about to prank Queen with the baby powder prank, bruh. One of my subscribers told me to do this on Snapchat. So I'm setting up this shit. Hold on. Oh, snap. Alright, hold on. I'm about to do the baby powder prank.
It's like Angel
She's
Time.
over here. She's in his bathroom taking a shower. I know for a fact she's about to come back in here because I act like I was in his bathroom, so I made her. I just needed her to go in his bathroom so I can put it in.
Like he's struggling. Whatever he trying to get set up.
Take the clothes off, bro.
I like those blow dryers. It's easier to manage.
Anyway, I'm about to just put it in there.
I'm about to say he gonna break it.
She about to be mad because she gotta go somewhere. She gotta go somewhere, so she about to be mad. I already know for a fact she about to be mad, bro.
Would you have noticed the white residue on the thing or no?
Maybe he might wipe it off. But yeah.
How am I supposed to put this in here?
I told you. Didn't I call it? I called it. You don't gotta
didn't
tell
break
me.
it came off. That's what he was trying to do.
But he ain't even tried to do that though.
Remember he was trying to take it off first, but he couldn't get it off.
That's OD, yo.
Yes.
It's coming out the bottom. He gonna break it. That's done. That's broke.
It's a whole bunch, dog. Oh,
You think?
shit.
You better look on all sides.
Hashtag Team Chris. Cause we in this thing. Alright, we good
You were
this
right.
way. We good over here. And she gotta go to this lipo appointment today. Cause today is the day she get her lipo. She scheduled her appointment for a lipo thing. She's gonna go get her blood work and stuff like that. So I know for a fact she about to be mad. But anyways, hashtag
He got
Team
cold
Chris
or
in the
something?
comments, bro.
That's how he talks.
Cause
No, he keep.
everybody talking about some Team Queen is liars because y'all know for a fact Chris is the master of pranks. You know I got the best pranks, so stop lying to yourself. You keep lying to yourself every day and talking about some Queen is the master, is the best in pranks. No, where did you get that from? Like Queen
Herself.
pranks suck. My pranks is way better than Queen's.
He said, I don't care what nobody said.
The prank and the abortion.
Unless
prank.
you said that's how he
And the only
sounds.
pranks I give her.
That's how he
Only
talks.
pranks I'm giving her.
Like that's his
Other
voice.
than that,
He sound a little congested.
Guess what? Let's get to business. I'll see y'all in a minute. I'm about to hide this camera.
That little sinus thing that your parents be using.
The neti pot.
I guess. Uh-oh.
Baby, you ready? You ready, baby? You almost ready?
She don't look like her hair would give her that much of a fight.
I'm not gonna take long, don't worry. I'm not gonna about to take long.
Yeah, she asking if he ready. She just.
That's
stepped out
you
the
though. I'm ready. No, you
Cause I do be ready. See, it's just cause she detangling her hair.
Sure. Makes sense. I say, when is the prank gonna happen? But I guess just gotta wait.
She about to section off her hair.
It's Rose, baby. It's Rose. Look, the mouse.
I can't wait till I fully get my color in, man. I can't wait till it's like all red. I'm gonna be looking bad. Exclusive. I wish that
They both was sick.
Chris! Really? You dirty black. Ooh! I just washed my hair!
Oh my God!
Yo, put his beats on.
Nigga, you got this all in my hair. What do you mean? Oh my God. You dirty black son of a grease monkey.
Oh,
You dirty
my
black
God.
son of
Are
a
you
grease
freaking
monkey.
serious? You're gonna have to get-
She didn't mean it, guys. She didn't mean it.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
stop playing, bro.
No.
You went in the
Chill,
closet though.
Stop playing. Chill, big.
Move.
Look at Chloe. Look at Chloe.
It's not fun, you stupid. Chris, I just washed my hair, bro.
Don't get so mad,
What do you mean
baby.
don't get so mad?
Oh,
Y'all got somewhere to go.
Oh my God.
That's another hour. Dang.
Oh my God.
Pranks on you, my
hair
friend.
Freaking gray.
oh, it's okay, baby.
Where the baby powder? Where the baby powder, Chris?
Stop playing with me, bro.
Where's it
I threw it outside.
at? Where's this baby powder?
Niggas be like, I threw it outside.
Where's the no? Move. Get the freaking bro. You so irritating.
Bro.
Why you always do stupid stuff at the wrong time?
Look at Queen. She mad.
Move. Move.
Oh.
It's not funny. Here. You childish. Bitch, you know I gotta go.
Oh, why she mad though?
You know I
Why
have
she
to go.
mad though? Why she mad though?
Chris.
Hey,
Man, oh my God.
why she so mad though? What's she so mad though for?
Cause she gotta go somewhere. She got powder in her hair.
She mad though. I'm just throwing on the Gucci
That's why.
flip-flops, man. We out this thing. I'm about to go outside, butt booty naked too. She still crying like a little baby. Hold on, we have to go back up there. All right, we about to go back up there, y'all. Oh yeah, we about to go back up there.
A whole bunch, like.
You just want to be irky.
Chris.
Oh, look at the baby. Baby, it's okay. Just wash it out.
I don't even know if this is good for my hair. I just got my hair dyed.
It's baby powder. Baby powder is good for the skin.
Are you freaking serious? Why would you do that?
Baby, just wash
The
it out.
skin though.
What do you mean wash it out? I just washed my hair.
Baby, just wash it out.
I knew you was gonna say it.
Oh, you so freaking irritating.
What can I say? Baby.
No, ain't no baby, please.
Please, baby.
Ain't no baby, please.
Please,
You did it to me. Ain't no motherfucking baby, please. please. Stop. I got you, Chris. I got
This
you.
is crazy, y'all.
I got you.
This is how Queen acts off the camera, bro. She crazy. You know what?
Why
Oh,
are you
I
doing
knew
this?
that.
Look at, I got gray hairs. Like, my name Esther.
You look like an old lady, man.
Oh, my God.
Oh, my baby look old, y'all.
Chris, you do the most irritating. Why now? Why now? No. Why now? Why now? Why did you wait till later? You only gotta go somewhere, dang.
Oh, my baby.
Because you
You won't
wasn't
have to
washing
do
your
your
hair.
hair,
Yeah.
Stop playing, bro.
What do you mean stop playing?
Oh, you got, oh, man. This
She really need to
took
just,
it, bro. You
I
took
don't
it.
know, something with his hair. That's what all niggas love, especially their facial hair.
You took it.
Oh my God.
And I seen he combed it, then he
Look at
picked
that.
it
You took it, man. I ain't gonna lie.
when they was getting ready.
Oh,
Just-
sure.
You dirty,
So he
dumb,
probably
crusty,
cared a whole
dusty,
bunch
musty,
about it.
stinking grease,
Maybe she did.
son of a
Oh, that's
biscuit.
wild.
No. Oh my God.
We see who the real one is, Krusty.
At least it smells good.
What's it supposed to smell like?
Good.
Oh my God, I'm so pissed off at you right now. I just want to grab your
That
penis
son look
and
just like her.
squeeze it and
I
twist
mean,
it.
that son.
Hey, look.
I just seen that.
I got Queen, man.
Right, like, right
Let's let
there.
this video get 30,000 likes.
Cheese
A what?
neck, nigga. Cheese neck.
Ah, bro, chill.
Cheese neck.
What's that?
Open that. Just like the person said, butter neck.
What's up with all these different ingredients y'all got?
I don't know. We
It's
just
just open.
call it open neck.
If your neck is open.
Open.
Y'all just, I want y'all. No, don't expose her like that. Don't expose her like that. All right, y'all. For real.
I know.
I hope y'all like that video. Hit that like button if you did enjoy it. Comment down below what other reactions y'all want to see from us. Make sure you subscribe before you leave. Make sure you always level up. And until next time, we're going to catch y'all with another reaction. We'll holla.